Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect scrambled eggs. Let's start by gathering our simple ingredients. For each serving, you will need 2 to 3 large eggs. Also, have 1 tablespoon of milk or cream and 1/2 tablespoon of butter or oil ready. Finally, grab a pinch of salt and pepper to season your eggs. These basic components are all you need for a delicious breakfast. Now, let's prepare our egg mixture. Crack your eggs into a medium-sized bowl. Next, add your 1 tablespoon of milk or cream along with the salt and pepper. Whisk everything together vigorously for about 30 seconds. You want the mixture to be slightly frothy, and it's crucial to ensure no clear egg white remains visible. This thorough whisking creates a consistent texture. It's time to cook. Melt your 1/2 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Once the butter is shimmering, pour in your whisked egg mixture. Let the eggs sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds, allowing the edges to just begin to set. Then, using a spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center of the pan. Continue gently folding the eggs, moving them around the pan until they are mostly set but still look moist and creamy. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. The key is to remove them from the heat immediately to prevent overcooking, which can make them dry. Serve your delicious scrambled eggs warm, perhaps garnished with some fresh herbs for an extra touch. Enjoy your perfect breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.